means everybody has to follow the norms and rules strictly and should have a level playing field for the customers to choose and buy. Earlier the market was not like today. Today the market is, people really wanted to see the progress, they wanted to see the delivery and buy. Earlier, a piece of land without approval, people just launch a project, collect the money. It continues even today. I'm not saying that it's not continuing, but once real estate regulatory bill comes in, it's completely stopped. So we, as a market leader, we always innovate in launching the projects, delivering the projects, or for anything, even detailing in terms of specifications, amenities, the kind of largeness what you bring in projects, community living we have done. Largest project done by us is 2,231 homes. 1,021 homes we sold in just 3 days. We have many records like that. But this time here we wanted to prove a different thing. Start of 12 months the project we want to complete. In that 6 months we have seen the progress. In 6 months so much of construction is completed. We also put up a nice mock-up model home and the entire common facilities are completed. So today it's imposing in customers' mind that this project is progressing very well, the delivery will happen as committed, and it also follow all the norms as per the real estate regulator. From the day of inception we are following the norms very sincerely. We get all the approval, then only we launch the project. Without approval we never put a pre-launch at any point of time. You have seen in most of your newspapers, number of pre-launches happening without even getting one approval. One approval is not available. But those days will change when the real estate regulatory bill will come. But we sincerely follow this for 22 years, getting all approvals in place, then only we start the project. So there is a delay in getting approvals, but once we start the project, there is absolutely no delay because it's all in our control. That's what we wanted to establish here and show how well we can be able to make a home and show it to the customer on the day one. And they can get that confidence of, see, even buying a pen, we used to write 10 times and then we buy the pen. But buying a home is always, customers' money is being used. The days are going to be changed. After real estate regulatory bill, most of the development and larger developments can happen only in this particular format. And we wanted to be a front runner, and so we wanted to showcase this apartment as a RERA complied, 100% complied. Means last 22 years of practice we are enforcing in this particular project. This is the way it should be. So we want to showcase you the project, and probably you can see it and ask your queries. And where 142 meter tall tower is coming up from the brand of Akshaya. Now this time we wanted to bring in the finest luxury product that should come from Akshaya. So the detailing of this home, actually planning took a lot of time. Actually, as Nagaraj said, the time we have taken for planning is really long. But the product is actually becoming one of the finest in the city. For the kind of price point and for the kind of location and for the kind of sizes what we have 8 different varieties. And the best luxury is definitely being delivered in terms of detailing and IT detail. And the quality is the uncompromising thing which comes from Akshaya in every product. So here you can definitely feel the difference in quality in terms of material choice or in construction or in terms of amenities. And see, just giving is not enough, but the way it should be detailed out and executed and also maintained. And when you say maintained, we maintain these projects at least for 10 years. So that's the kind of customer confidence we give from the brand of Akshaya. So we are very happy that we are bringing something different to the city every time, and we continue to do such kind of projects. And the future is going to be for people who strictly follow real estate regulatory bill. Real estate regulatory bill, actually after 30-35 years of different governments' effort, it's coming into force in the country, and in most of the states already it's in place. In our city, I think in our state it will be in place by 1st of May. The guidelines are already fixed, and that bill is definitely going to make this industry as a respectable industry, because most of the time the houses are not delivered on time. The houses are getting delayed because of the various reasons. But once the real estate regulatory bill comes in place, every developer has to follow sincerely the norms, what we are practicing for the last 22 years. So that's the advantage of Akshaya. We are practicing these practices for the last 22 years. It must be a very easy practice for us in the